Welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'm going to show you how to make this extra spicy and hot chicken sandwich. I made a burger yesterday and I had sauce left, and so I decided to make a chicken sandwich and add it to it as well. And especially for the people that don't like beef, and want some chicken, so here you go. So I have my breading station set up to my flour. I'm going to add pepper and cayenne to my eggs. It's going to be hot sauce, and you need to be very, very heavy-handed. Okay, I'm using this cayenne right here, Mrs. Dash, the spicy Southwest, salt, black pepper, garlic. So all 3 layers have some type of pepper in it, and it was definitely spot on. Like, the chicken was crispy and spicy and hot. So, but if you want it even hotter, child, if you got some sriracha or some habanero hot sauce, that's even better and even more hotter. So right here I have my chicken breast. It was 1 chicken breast that I cut in half because it was way too thick. If you can find the pounded out ones that's really thin, then you're good to go. Season the chicken however you want, but these are the spices that I use. Y'all already know I'm sold out of everything, so that's why I didn't use Spicy Girl, as well as I'm moving, so I don't have nothing. So there you go. So now you want to dip your chicken into the flour, and then I'm going to dip it into the egg and hot sauce. Make sure it's nice and coated, and then you're going to drop it down into the panko. Now, if you don't have panko, you can use regular breadcrumbs. That's fine. Again, I don't have much of nothing in this house, so I use the panko. Plus, I don't fry food like that anymore at all. Like, literally at all. I'm surprised I even found the oil, because I don't fry anything anymore. So this is the chicken. I'm going to do it like this. You probably could pop this in your air fryer as well. The reason why I didn't, though, you can easily overcook something that you're trying to quote unquote fry in the air fryer. And so I prefer to just do it like this. But if you want to do it, that's fine too. It'll work. So this is how the chicken looks. It's nice and crispy, all the way cooked through. And I cooked this on medium heat for about 4 minutes on each side, and I'm going to assemble. Now, you can use any sauce that you prefer, mayo, mustard, anything. But again, I made this amazing barbecue sauce in my previous video, and I wanted to repurpose it versus just throwing it out. I added savory cheddar cheese. It's a white cheddar cheese. I found it in Kroger. I had the chicken cutlet down. Add some tomatoes, some lettuce. I'm going to get it all over, but I'm going to fix it, y'all. And then I'm going to add some shallots on top. And that's it, y'all. That's the sandwich. Easy, simple, delicious, crispy, hot, spicy. It was definitely spicy. If you don't like spice, then, you already know how to tone it down. I ain't got to tell you. But it was definitely spicy. And then you just put the top on, and that's it. You already know I'm always going to give y'all the first bite. Look at the end. Look how juicy this chicken looks. Look how juicy. And I didn't have to marinate it in buttermilk or overnight or anything like that. It was just good to go. So thank you guys so much for watching. Love you for your support, and I'll catch you on my next video. Bye.